It sounds like a gunshot under the hood, then your engine runs terrible. A spark plug blowing out is one of those failures that scares people because it's loud, sudden, and instantly makes the car feel broken. You might hear a sharp pop, then a loud chuffing or ticking sound like an exhaust leak, and the engine starts shaking with a misfire. Sometimes you'll even smell fuel. What happened is simple. The spark plug lost its grip in the cylinder head and got launched out by combustion pressure. The real question is why it happened and how to keep it from happening again. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel. What spark plug blew out actually means. Spark plugs screw into threads in the cylinder head. When everything is healthy, those threads hold the plug tight, sealing the combustion chamber. If the threads are damaged or the plug wasn't seated correctly, pressure can slowly work the plug loose. Eventually, the remaining threads can't hold it, and the plug ejects. In many cases, the ignition coil or plug wire gets damaged too because it gets yanked around when the plug pops out. Cause 1. Improper installation or wrong torque. This is the #1 cause I see. If a plug is under-torqued, it may feel snug, but it's not actually clamped properly. Heat cycles and vibration can loosen it over time until it strips threads or shoots out. Over-torquing is just as bad because it can stretch the plug, damage threads in the head, or make the next removal destructive. Prevention here is boring but effective. Always start plugs by hand to avoid cross-threading, then torque them to spec with a torque wrench. If you don't have specs, don't guess, look them up for your engine. Cross-threading means the plug started crooked and cut new wrong threads into the head. It might still tighten, but it's not fully engaged and the thread strength is weak. Eventually, combustion pressure wins. This happens a lot when plugs are installed quickly with a ratchet instead of being started carefully by hand. The best prevention is to thread the plug in by hand for several turns. It should spin smoothly. If it feels gritty, tight, or uneven early on, stop and correct it before damage happens. Aluminum heads are common, and aluminum threads can be damaged more easily than people expect. Once the threads are worn or partially stripped, the plug may hold for a while, but it's living on borrowed time. The plug can blow out suddenly, especially under load. If threads are damaged, the proper repair is a thread insert, like a helicoil or similar system, installed correctly, or, in severe cases, head repair or replacement. The prevention part is installing plugs correctly in the first place and never forcing them. Not all spark plugs are the same. If the plug has the wrong thread reach or the wrong seat type, it may not clamp correctly. Too short and it doesn't engage enough threads. Wrong seat style and it may never seal properly, letting pressure and heat work on the threads. Even the wrong heat range can contribute to overheating and stress, though the thread engagement issue is the big one for blowouts. Prevention is simple. Match the exact plug type recommended for your engine and avoid close enough substitutions unless you really know what you're doing. Removing plugs when the engine is hot can make thread damage more likely because metal expands with heat. Dirt and grit in the plug well can also get pulled into the threads during removal or installation, acting like sandpaper. Over time, that can weaken the thread grip. To prevent this, let the engine cool before plug work when possible. Blow out debris around the plug area before removal. Keep things clean so the threads don't get contaminated. Most drivers describe a sudden loud pop followed by a rapid tick-tick-tick or chuffing sound, loss of power, rough running, and a flashing check engine light. The engine may sound like it has an exhaust leak, but it's coming from the spark plug hole. If you open the hood, you might see the ignition coil lifted or sitting crooked. If this happens, don't keep driving hard. A raw, open plug hole can damage the coil, melt components, and in some cases harm the threads even more. The best prevention is proper plug installation, correct plug, clean threads, hand-started, torqued to spec, and serviced at the right interval. If your engine is known for weak plug threads or past plug blowouts, it's smart to have plugs checked for torque periodically, especially after any recent plug service. If a plug has already blown out once, don't just screw a new one in and hope. The threads may already be compromised and it can happen again, usually at the worst time. Fix the root cause and the problem stays gone.